let's look at this. It says what? If this is equal to this, express y in terms of x. So what is the meaning of that? Express y in terms of x. What it's saying is find y. Y should be alone. Nobody should be with y. S should join the other guys on the other side, whatever number. Now, let's start. This is 5. This is 5. We need to work on this guy first before we continue, so that I can join them together, because this plus is encouraging me to use the first law of indices. And because this is log to the base of 5, there's no base of 5 here. I can't do anything. So I need to introduce base of 5 here. So now I will come here to say okay, let me leave this one first. Now let's treat this guy. That is 2. What is 2? 2 means 2 times 1. Am I correct? Yes. I'm trying to introduce log to the base of 5 now. If I do this, I have not changed anything. Okay? I have not changed 2. What can I use to replace 1? Is log to the base of something, the same number. Because 5 is here, I will do log 5 to the base of 5. This is still 1. So I can replace this now with this. What is this? This is, okay? So this will still give me 2. So now I have systematically brought in base of what? 5. So I'm going to come here now to say 2 log 5 to the base of 5. So this guy is not changing anything. This multiplied by this is still 2. Okay? So therefore, I can still remove this from here now. I put it here. So no need to explain that now. There's no need for this because equal to is already here. Okay? Because this is 5 and the other one is 5, we can bring them together to have to the base of 5, this multiplied by this. That is 3s multiplied by 5 raised to the power 2. Okay? And you agree with me that this is base of 5? Base of 5. Therefore, we can equate their children. That is, this is equals to 3s. What is this, by the way? This is 25. Okay? This is equals to, this multiplied by this will give us 75x. As far as you are cosine now, you are already correct doing it like this because y is on the left hand side. Okay? But the point now is, if this is a question with options, you use this one to look at the options. Is there any option like this? Yes or no? If no, you can walk further to say y is equals to, this goes to this side, becomes square root. That is, this square goes to the other side, becomes square root of this. That is plus and minus. Okay? Hope this is understood. Thank you for viewing.